hayi shem kade angilindile patient shem angifuna ukutshela manga because sathandana 3 years
Hayibo, angakaze
mfethu
madoda. Hayiwakufanele kodwa aqophoza ayingeke.
hayi mara naye bekungasisikhathi esiright ngoba bengihlezi ngimculela
No, but we waited so long this guy nami.
umuntu makakuthanda ngithi uyakumela kodwa
3 years.
like umuntu makakuthanda uyakumela
Ungincisha.
umuntu makakuthanda andazi ukuthi ama plans wakho athini ifana noma like uku relationship and you have certain plans umuntu wakho kumele akusupport angakujudge you understand because at the end of the day kule relationship simele supportana usupporta ivision yami ngisupporta yakho
Yeah but hayi ukuthi ungincishe.
uzwa ngathini mina kuye ngayazi ngamuphi option yokuthini
Yeah.
it's okay uyabona ukuthi ngifuna umemulo mara ungadla ngaphandle mina nginankinga
Okay.
yayibona ngangimphile option ukuthi ungadla anyeke ngikwade because ngiyazi anyeke uyithole kimi